Okay, so next we're gonna talk about naming convention, tag, and description. So after SiteCatalyst global segment cleanup project, we have standardized all the global segments in terms of the naming, tag, and description. So right now, if follows this format, start with NP or global or TV or radio. It tells you the medium the segment belongs to. And second part is the variable it uses to define the segment. Third part is the type of the segment is either page view container, page view segment, or visit segment. Usually we use the PV segment. If you want to use visit, you need to be more careful of what you're trying to pull. And then the last piece is the actual value of the segment. So if you want to pull, say, a mobile site, then it's a site version. Then you need to say np site version pv colon mobile site. So it's pretty straightforward, and you can use this spreadsheet at the same time, which is SiteCatalyst Global Segments documentation. It has all the information about all the global segments, so it's the full reference you can have. So if all right, if you look at the list here, okay, we have 219 global segments in total, but it's containing newspaper, TV, radio, and global ones. So what you can do is you can just filter. So if you're newspaper folks, you can just filter on NP or global, probably both. All right, then we can look at the definition. If you ever wonder what definition builds this segment, then it has all the details and tag and description. So we have three. Usually we have three tags or more for the segment. So it's telling you the medium, variable, and then the market. And then there are more information in the description. So say if I want to look at what segments we have for the property IDs, then you can just look at, okay, this ones. There are property ID PV segments. So they have individual property IDs, or I think there are some more. Okay, if I search NP property ID, okay, now there are a lot of property ID PV segments, and some of them are combining different property IDs in the same market in different ways. So there are all free and paid or property IDs and CMGMP vertical sites. So there are individual ones and then combination of property IDs. So it's the same thing for other variables. If I do NP site version PV, okay, and then there are different site versions. The more important ones I will say is the wire site and mobile site and apps, and then apps, and then the mobile site. So those are very useful segments you can use. All right. Now let's go back here one more time. All right. So there are different ways you can see the tags and the segments. Usually, if you're on SiteCatalyst and if you hover over, there's always an eye icon. That's the information icon for the segment. You can click, and then it tells you the definition, the segment name. It doesn't say the tag, but if you are on the segment manager page, you can see all the information, the name, report suite owner, tag, um, It doesn't have okay, it does have the description here, just enter the segment name. So this is more bigger picture of the segments here.